Dear viewers, today we will discuss what is education. Education is the process of acquiring the knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits through various means such as teaching, training, research, or self study. Examples of education include formal schooling or formal education, attending classes in a school or university. When we will attend the class in school, have rigid rules in education, is called formal schooling or formal education. Non-formal education mean workshops, training programs, or online courses. Courses, different workshops we design training programs is called non-formal education. Informal education, learning through everyday experiences, observation, and personal reflection. Mean when we get knowledge through experiences, observation, we can say that it is a informal education. Or example of informal education, self education, pursuing knowledge through reading, research, or personal objects. Mean when we read the books, when we research in a topic or personal objects, is called self education.